In today's video, we will be discussing on a very important topic, the power of time, Kala Chakra. Krishna is telling in the 11th chapter 32 shloka, Kalo Asmi, or time I am the eternal destroyer of the worlds. And Kala Chakra means the cycle of time. What is time? Time is a powerful energy of Lord Krishna that activates the three modes of material nature and controls the material world. Just like the three sticks of the clock, the Trikal Roop of Krishna represents the time. Time, however, in the spiritual world exists eternally in the present tense, like it is everlasting now. However, time which flows in the material world flows in three phases, and the three phases are the past, the present, and the future. And this is called the material time, which is different from the spiritual time, which is always in the present tense. The flow of time in the material world is non-linear. It flows in a cylindrical manner, and new creation comes into existence after destruction of the earlier creation. Just like the seasons are very cyclical in the material realm and the material universe. This is called the Kala Chakra, or the wheel of time. What is the difference between material and spiritual time? Just like Krishna and his devotees living in the spiritual world are outside the influence of the time, however, in the material world, all of us are within the influence of the time. Just like there is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and t-axis, these are the dimensions which govern the material world. Let us see what is the length of the different yugas. Creation and dissolution of this universe is measured in terms of yugas or millennium. The very simple way to remember is that Kali Yuga consists of 4.32 lakh years. Dwapar Yuga is 2 times Kali Yuga. Treta Yuga is 3 times Kali Yuga. Satyuga is 4 times Kali Yuga, and the whole Chatur Yuga is an addition of all this 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 into 4.32 lakh years, which is equal to 4.32 million years, which is the length of a Chatur Yuga. The lifespan of this universe is same as the time of Lord Brahma, the original engineer of the universe, who resides in the topmost planet in the Satyaloka. 1 day of his life has been described thus in the Bhagavad Gita chapter 8 17th shloka purport, that by human calculation 1,000 ages clubbed together would equal to the duration of Brahma's 1 day, and also such duration is that of the night. Satyuga is followed by Dwapar Yuga, Treta, and Kali Yuga in a cycle of conditions. Like this, 1,000 cycles of Chatur Yuga is 1 day in the lifespan of Brahma. The universe lasts for 1 lifetime or 100 years, which is the lifespan of Lord Brahma. These 100 years of Lord Brahma, as per the earth calculation, is equal to 311.04 trillion earth years. It may seem fantastic and indeterminable, but from the viewpoint of eternal time or eternity, it is just like a flash of lightning, mentioned in the chapter 8, 17th shloka purport of Bhagavad Gita. By this, we can understand how even the lifespan of Lord Brahma has a beginning, a middle, and an end. This is how time is most powerful force in the universe. One who has taken birth is sure to die, and after death, one is sure to take birth again, as mentioned in the chapter 2, 27th shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Any living entity in this world, whether it's a human, whether it's an animal or a plant, has the 6 stages: birth, growth, maintenance, production of byproducts, dwindling, and death. From powerful leaders who influence millions on this planet to a small, tiny flower in a small garden, every living body has to undergo these 6 transformations. This cycle is perpetual until the soul finally transcends this material world and enters into the eternal realm of the spiritual world by the loving mercy of the Lord. Na tad bhasyate suryo na shashanko na pavakah yat gatva na nivartante tat dhama paramam mama. That spiritual abode is free from the influence of these changes, these 6 changes, as influenced by the material time. So my dear friends, you saw we discussed about the Kala Chakra in the material world and also how the spiritual world is beyond the time zone. I hope you got interest in this video to understand the eternal Kala Chakra. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel right now and download my free app. Thank you very much.